Hello, my name is Danny McCarthy and welcome to Danny's Shack. We've got this little shack down here for me and my son. My daughter and the grandchildren are taking over the main house and we've come down here to get away actually. We've got my bedroom here, my son's bedroom at the end. We've got a laundry, bathroom, toilet, kitchen, a lovely deck here. And in summer, surely we will appreciate very much, the barbecues out the front. Got the birds, the trees. We've got a lovely little place down here which I think any one of you would enjoy. I have the fun of my children, grandchildren coming down here in the afternoon and playing out here. It's a sensational place to be, very quiet, bird life is unbelievable. I just can't tell you how good I'm feeling being here with what I've got in life. All I can tell you is there's a crazy little shack down the back and it's mine.